You're taking me back to the sleepless nights, phone calls and candlelights. Those were the things I liked the most. And back when we were passing notes in school, spend our summers by the pool, talking about what we'd be when we're grown. Well, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when everything moves slower. You're taking me back to better days. Trips, late night drive to our favorite hits, burning through a mixed CD we made. Just a couple kids, nowhere to be, taking time for making memories, living life like we were runaways. Yeah, those were the days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when everything moves slower. You're taking me back to better days. So take me back when we were younger, back when we were unafraid, starry-eyed and full of wonder. Take me back to the better days. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when the world was smaller and everything was ours. Taking me back. You're taking me back when everything moves slower. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when the world was smaller and everything was ours. You're taking me back. You're taking me back when everything